Are you looking to level up the performance of your 370Z? Whether you're a first-time Z owner or your Z is just new to you, Z1's performance packages are designed to get you the most bang for your buck out of your Z34, regardless of your budget. Each package is tailored to provide a well-rounded increase in performance, addressing both suspension and power output from street-level performance all the way up to track day champion. If you're just getting started with your 370Z and you're looking to add performance on a budget, our Level 1 Performance package improves the handling with front and rear sway bars and adds power and responsiveness with intakes, exhaust, and a Z1 EcuTek tune. Level 2 includes everything from Level 1, but further improves the handling with your choice of Z1 coilovers and adjustable suspension arms, improves airflow with Z1's upper intake manifold power mod, and includes an oil cooler. Finally, the Level 3 Performance package for the 370Z approaches peak performance for the Z34 by adding a Z1 supercharger, chassis stiffening upgrades, clutch and flywheel kit for manual transmission cars, and rounds out the performance package with a big brake upgrade. The Z1 Performance packages are available to purchase with a bundled discount right here on the Z1 website, or you can set up an appointment with Z1 and have it installed right here by the experts in our Performance Center. And if you don't live near Z1 and still want to have a performance package installed by a professional, Z1 has a network of authorized installers where you can have your Z1 Performance package installed local to you.